Hi, everybody. It's January 27th, Monday, and it looks like we're going to get our opportunity to buy Tesla at a much lower price at 340. That's the goal. It also looks like we can get MSTR. It looks like MSTR is going to do the exact same thing. A, B, and C for MSTR. MSTR could go under 300. Here's IONQ. We're getting that little dip that I told you about last week. And this will be a wave 2 before it goes up into a wave 3, or it's a wave B and before it goes up into a wave C. The S&P is most likely doing a wave 2, a very sharp wave 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you had been long on margin the S&P, what you should have done is you should have checked margin data that came out Sunday night. Sunday night data came out that said that there was a put floor, a put table, a put support at around 6040 to 6060. When that put support was broken to the downside of 6040, that's where your stop should have been triggered. So you should have gone to bed in the US stock markets with your stop on your margin S&P position at around 6040. So you would not have a position in the market. You would have been stopped out last night. Last week I said that I was not trading the S&P on margin because I was just simply too busy having fun with stocks like Palantir, as you know from my Twitter. And I'm still having fun with Palantir, so I'm very happy. It is not good that we broke this support here at 5960. But you should have been stopped out at 6040, and now we have to wait. I believe that this is simply a wave 2 and that we are going to continue to head up. The reason I believe this is because we were expecting stocks like IONQ, Qubits, we were expecting them to go down. We were hoping and praying that Tesla would go back down to 340. We were kind of not hoping and praying that MSTR would go down, but we figured that if Tesla would go down, MSTR would also go down because their charts looked exactly the same. So that's just happening. We talked about that possibility last week. But this is a great opportunity to buy Tesla at 340 if it goes down there. And I will be buying Tesla at 340. I am waiting. So I'm not too concerned about this. So for those of you who trade the S&P index on margin, before you go to bed, when the put call data comes out, find where the main put support is. And last night it was at 6040. Then you have to put your stop underneath that put support. So to protect yourself from these type of moves.